Welcome to this tutorial on capturing SYSVIEW Essentials data. Use the menu support command to access the list of pre-configured capture options. The Support Diagnostics menu displays. You can see the various common capture commands already configured for you to run. Step 2. Run the capture. To run the capture, you can select an option from the Support Diagnostics menu, or you can issue the capture command manually by typing the word capture, followed by the name of the capture parameter. Let's look at an example. In this example, we want to obtain an overview of diagnostics for the product. Begin by typing capture DIAG0000 in the command line and press enter. A confirmation message displays, indicating that the capture is scheduled. This message also displays when initiating a capture using the menu support command. Issue the cap list command to view the list of captures that has been run on your system. If you do not see your capture, press F3 to leave the panel, wait several minutes for the capture to complete, and then reissue the cap list command. If you see two captures listed for the single capture that you ran, this typically means that an error occurred. One of the captures will indicate the type of error. Often the error is related to dataset size, and can be easily corrected by increasing the allocations. Step 3. Upload the data set to Broadcom support. Type the FTPCA command next to the dataset and press enter. Complete the fields on the FTP dataset panel, including the support issue number and dataset name. The first time you invoke this command, you will be prompted for a description, job card, site ID information, ID, password, and so on. Most of this information is saved for future use. Continue this process until all datasets are uploaded to your support issue. And there you have it. The process of working with support is easy. Begin by opening a support issue. Second, run the capture manually or select a capture option from the menu support panel. Issue the cap list command. Next, issue the FTPCA line command next to the dataset that you want to upload to support. Complete the fields on the FTP dataset panel and submit the dataset to support. Remember to follow the steps carefully to help ensure quick resolution of your support issue.